Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. Today we are gonna learn about Python. So first of all, let's begin with Python. So Python is one of the most popular programming language. Out of programming language, it is the most popular. Also, it is simple to use and it is featured with supported by multiple libraries and frameworks. Also, it has a clean syntax which helps the beginner to be beginner friendly. Also, Python is a high level language which will be used for web development, data science, automation, AI, and more. Also, Python is mainly known for its readability, which means code is easier to write. Also, so that it is called as interpreted languages, where it executes line by line. Also, it's backed by library support such as NumPy, Pandas. So we don't have to build everything from the scratch. If we import library means it helps to understand, it understands and already does what we want. So this is all about Python, and now we get started about applications of Python. So going with applications, first is web development, next data science and machine learning, automation and scripting, web scraping, game development, and at last desktop applications. These were the applications of Python. Now let's see detail about each of the applications. So starting with the web development, Django, Flask, Fast API, and SQL Alchemy. So all these were applications which have been used for web development. I hope now you all will know about each of it. Django is for backend, Flask supports microservices, so like that. Next, data science and machine learning. For data science and machine learning, we'll be using Pandas, NumPy, Scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. I hope you all have gone through it. And automation and scripting, Selenium, Request, Celery, which helps us to manage background tasks in Instagram. Selenium is for automating testing for Mozilla. Request handles API integrations for GitHub. So these were all about automation and scripting. Going to the next slide, now we see about web scraping. Beautiful Soup, Scrapy, and Selenium, all these are used for web scraping. Next, for game development, Pygame and Arcade. So next, for desktop application, TK, that is Tinkler, PyQt, Kiwi, and WX Python. So these were all about the applications of Python. I hope now you understood what is Python and what are its applications and where all it can be used. So now we learn why to learn Python. Python requires us only the fewer line of codes compared to other programming languages like Java. There you need to write multiple line of codes. But Python, here you can able to get your input from 2 line of codes. Also, Python is high demand as it also provides many job opportunities such as software development and data science and AI/ML. Also, Python provides popular web development, AI/ML, data science, and data analytics libraries like Flask, Pandas, TensorFlow, Django, Scikit-learn, and many more. Also, Python is known for object-oriented programming language, which helps us to encapsulate code within the object. Also, Python is a cross-platform which helps to work on multiple platforms like Windows, Mac, and Linux without any changes. And at last, Python is used by big companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA. So Python mainly useful for its readability. Also, it supports multiple platforms. So now let's learn how to write our first Python program. So first of all, if you want your output means print open bracket, it is in the form of string, right? So I have given it as double quotes, or you can given it as in a single quotation, and inside that only you have to write your string. Otherwise you won't be getting your output, because since Python is an interpreted, also it expects the strings there. For a string, it expects the some double quotations or single quotation. So now for sample, I'm printing print open bracket. Also in single quotation also you can use. I'm using double quotation. Here I'm giving it as hello subscribers. So after this you have to close your. So now for a string, here I am typing without a double quotation. Now you can able to see my output has expected error, since because I have not given a double quotation. If you are not giving any double quotation for a string, then your output will be of syntax error. Here it was written it as invalid syntax. So after adding the double quotation, my output is successful. And I hope now you understood about Python also. Thank you for your attention till now. If you found this video was useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more useful contents like this. Thank you.